Hello, all the students of Standard 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time. So whenever the school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. Okay, so please be sincere and do all the homework on time in your homework copy. Today I am going to teach you chapter 7 that is already going on. Chapter is human skeletal and nervous system. So now we are in the topic of skeletal system. Scale S K E L skeletal system. So I already told you that skeletal system consists of what? They consist of skull, ribcage, backbone, limbs, and girders. So skull I have explained, ribcage, I have explained backbone, I have explained limb. Now we are in the last topic of the skeletal system. That is what? That is girders. Okay. GIRDLES. So this is the last topic of the skeletal system. After that, we will move to nervous system. So girdle are those portion of the limbs that connect to a spine. There are two girdles, the shoulder girdle and the pelvic girdle. Okay. The shoulder girdle and there is pelvic. The shoulder girdle connects the upper limbs to the spine and it made of shoulder blade and a collar bone, and the pelvic girdle connects the lower limb of the spine. Okay, it is a basin-like structure made of bones. Okay. So girdle are the portion means the upper part. This upper part of the limbs, that is. So girdles are actually two girdles. There are two girdles. There are two girdles. Okay. The first one is shoulder girdle. The first one is shoulder girdle. Second one is pelvic girdle. Okay. So the shoulder girdle, it is attached to upper part of the spine. Upper part of the shoulder girdle combine the upper limbs of the upper limbs of the spine, and this pelvic girdle, it is connected with the lower limbs to the spine. Lower limb to the spine. Okay. So I have already explained you that what is upper limbs. So this is upper limb and this is upper limbs which is attached with arm, lower limbs which is attached with legs. So we are in the girdles topic. So this shoulder girdle, okay. Now these girdles, there are two girdles. One is shoulder, one is girdles. Sorry, one is pelvic girdle. So shoulder girdles, they connect to the upper limbs. So it is made of shoulder blade and the collarbone. Now this part, okay. Whatever this part is there, so this is shoulder blade, and whatever the bones are there, that is collarbone. Okay. Shoulder blade and collarbone. So this shoulder girdle, it is made up of, okay, shoulder blade and collar bone. Okay. And now we come to pelvic girdle. So pelvic girdle connects to lower limbs to the spine, and it is a basin-like structure made up of bones. It is a basin structure made of bones. Okay, now I will show the picture also. You can see. So this is shoulder girdle. Two parts shoulder blade is there and collarbone is there, and this is pelvic girdle, and it is like a basin like a structure. Okay. So now we will move to next topic, that is nervous system. Okay. Okay, so now we move to next topic, that is nervous system. So now come to next topic, that is nervous system. So human skeleton is over. Now we'll move to nervous system. So the nervous system includes brain, nerves, and spinal cord. So if the nervous system includes, it consists of brain, nerve, and what? Spinal cord. So one by one we will see. So first we will see what? Brain. First topic is brain. So before starting brain, let me draw the picture of brain if I can draw. Okay, so you can see actually this is a real figure. So the brain is the largest organ of the nervous system. It is responsible for controlling most activity and processes in the body. The human brain is divided into three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brain stem. Okay, so this is part of cerebrum. This part is cerebrum. This part is brain stem. Okay, this is brain stem. Brain stem, not stem, and this is cerebellum. This part is cerebellum. Okay, this part is cerebellum. So the brain is the largest organ of the nervous system. So first it is largest organ of the what? Nervous system, and it consists and it is responsible for controlling most of activity. It is responsible for controlling most activities and process in the body. Yes. Okay. If we are able to write, if we are able to walk, it is all if you have, because brain sends the signal to that signals to all other parts. Then we used to do these things. And this human brain is divided into three main parts. So that I will explain in lecture number 2.